How to make money with a blog? These are the 7 steps to follow to make money blogging. 1. Set up your own self-hosted blog. 2. Start publishing great content. 3. Build organic traffic to your website. 4. Build a community around your brand. 5. Start making money by selling ads. 6. Make money by selling your own products or services. 7. Making money through affiliate marketing. It sounds like a simple process. Actually, some of the steps are pretty straightforward, but others are tricky, and you will need to be equipped with the proper knowledge, the right tools, and a lot of patience. Step 1. Set up your own self-hosted blog. This is perhaps the easiest step. It's so easy these days to register a domain name and set up a blog. All you need is a bit of help and pointers in the right direction. Follow this process to set up a blog. 1. How to register a domain name. 2. How to sign up for hosting. 3. How to set up WordPress. 4. How to publish your first blog post. Step 2. Start publishing great content. So, you have a website up and running. That's great. Now it's time to get to one of the most difficult and challenging tasks of blogging, which is no other than creating the actual content for your blog. Having said that, it is important to understand from the beginning the importance of content for your blog's success. Great, good, superb, or fantastic, you choose. Content will get you traffic, credibility, and make you money, in different ways. So, what is great content? Great blog content is not necessarily text. It can be images, videos, infographics, or even audio. But, for the purpose of achieving high rankings on Google and other search engines, your content should be primarily text. As I mentioned above, at the beginning keep it simple. Later on, for the best results, you can combine text with other forms to make your content more interesting. Great content has the following characteristics. 1. It's unique for your website. It's not an exact copy of an already published post. 2. It's free of spelling and grammar mistakes. 3. It's meaningful. 4. It's insightful. 5. It's unbiased. 6. It's something that helps people do/understand/learn something. 7. It's easy to read. Step 3. Build organic traffic to your blog. Let's recap the process so far. Your first step is to register your own domain and set up your blog. Your second step is to decide the topics to cover in your blog and master the keyword research process. The next step is to start building organic traffic to your blog, and this is what I will discuss in this section. What is organic traffic? To make money from your blog, you need organic traffic and not just traffic in general. Organic traffic is generated from search engines, mostly Google. What makes organic traffic more valuable than any other source of traffic is the user intent. A user that types a query in Google's search box has a clear intent. He or she is either looking for an answer to a question, wants to learn something, to find information, or to buy a product. You need to get your technical SEO correct. Technical SEO has to do with your blog setup and how well it is optimized for search engines. Your blogging platform, especially if it's WordPress, is by default SEO friendly, but still, there are a number of things to check and change to make it even better. Things like 1. Blog structure. 2. URL structure. 3. Use of schema markups. 4. Canonical URLs. 5. Optimizing your category and tag pages. 6. Website speed. 7. Mobile friendliness and accelerated mobile pages. 8. Webmaster Tools SEO. Step 4. Build a community around your brand. Once you have a blog with great content and the traffic starts to flow in, your next step is to build a community around your brand. Step 5. Start making money by selling ads. Step 6. Make money by selling your own products or services. Step 7. Make money through affiliate marketing. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.